Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. It's your boy Sonya back at it again with another Wake Up Makeup Get Ready with me. Except I'm a fraud because I'm not actually just waking up. It's like 1 in the afternoon. I wanted to do this in the morning, but school just started up again. I have my MCAT next week, which is... So I just wanted to film something fun and relaxing, and Get Ready With Me's are kind of my go-to fun and relaxing video. So yeah, let's just get this show on the road. Primer, where are you? I guess I'll kick this off by kind of discussing my new setup. In my last video, which was about ranking the characters from my favorite TV show, Arrested Development, which you should watch, but only if you want to, I kind of changed up my setup and I sat in natural lighting at my homework desk as opposed to my makeup table. I really liked how the video turned out. I thought everything looked so bright and pretty, and I thought, you know, why not just do it again? So here we are at this table within my bedroom. So as I'm sure I've already mentioned, I am a college student. I'm doing online classes this semester, and I have to be honest, I was not really looking forward to it. It wasn't really what I wanted initially, but you know, now I'm trying to find the good in it. I'm trying to be positive about it. I'm trying to get excited about it. I know a lot of you guys are probably in high school and college, and this isn't the way you thought the fall of 2020 would go either, but I'm here to tell you, I actually completely forgot what I was gonna say after that, but the bottom line is we're remaining positive. So this is actually the second time I'm filming this, because the first time around, I was just ranting about COVID and the whole college situation and how it's spreading at my school, and I didn't like the way the video came out. Overall, the original video I filmed was extremely negative, and I just didn't like the feeling it evoked in me when I was going back and editing and watching myself. I just didn't like how it made me feel. I didn't like the finished product, which is why I didn't post on Wednesday afternoon. I wanted to give you guys something good, something positive. I don't want to put negativity out there. I only want to put positive things out there. So even though things aren't gonna go the way I expected to for this fall, I really want to remain positive about it because I love fall. I love the fall season. Our semesters on campus might not be happening, but fall sure is happening. So I'm going to talk about the things I'm excited for this fall. Firstly, I'm excited for my classes. I like my college classes. I like going to class. I like learning. All my professors seem cool, and none of the classes I'm taking this semester are boring. So that's exciting. I would actually go so far as to call it ideal. So yeah, first and foremost, I guess it's kind of nerdy, but I'm very excited for my classes. Secondly, with the fall comes fall decor, and I'm very excited to expand my gnome collection. I don't know if I've spoken to you guys about my obsession with gnomes before. Oh God, I'm so sorry you just had to watch that. So there's a certain brand, I can't remember the name, I'll put it in the description box, but they sell at Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, that kind of thing, and they make these holiday gnomes. I am obsessed with them. I'm obsessed with them. I bought a holiday gnome last December. His name is Gnome Chomsky. You guys will meet Gnome Chomsky around holiday time, but I did just purchase a Halloween themed gnome. The problem is I can't show him to you guys yet because he doesn't have a name. I need to name my new gnome. I need to find a name that is both punny in terms of Halloweenness and gnomeness, but it also needs to top the name Gnome Chomsky, and quite frankly, I don't know that I can do that. If you guys have any gnome name suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm very excited to introduce him. He will come out when it's more appropriate to have Halloween stuff out. I feel like it's a little early right now. I don't want to look crazy overzealous about the Halloween thing, but honestly, is it even possible to be overzealous about Halloween? You can never be enthusiastic enough about Halloween, in my opinion. Halloween, that's another thing I'm super excited for. I know that not many people are probably going trick-or-treating this year, but I love watching Halloween makeup tutorials every year, and it's so fun that I might get to film a couple of my own this year. How crazy is that? I really want to try experimenting with SFX special effects. Yeah, I really want to try experimenting with special effects makeup because I think that it could be so much fun. I look at creators on YouTube like Mikey from Glam and Gore, I'm absolutely gonna link her channel in the description box because she is just so good at what she does. I'd love to try out special effects makeup because honestly, I just want to learn. I want to see where my mind takes me, what I can create with special effects makeup. Like, the prospect of it is just so exciting. Plus, I have definitely always wanted to know what I would look like as a zombie. Another thing I'm excited for is the fall candles that are going to be coming out soon. I love candles. Personally, I am a big fan of candles. I don't think I've ever met a person who isn't a big fan of candles. Besides my mom, but honestly, it's because she doesn't trust me not to burn my room down, and I'm not sure that I disagree with her. I think candles are pretty, I think they're calming, I just like them, and I love fall scented candles. I mean, how can I not enjoy the scent of apple cinnamon or pumpkin cinnamon or vanilla cinnamon? Yeah, I've noticed a lot of cinnamon in fall candles, but I'm not mad about it. Who's got 2 thumbs and is going to Home Goods this evening? That's right, me. Ugh, I'm looking at my skin and I'm just having one of those days where everything kind of looks like bad. That ever happened to you guys? Probably not, because you're all perfect angels and I love you. I don't know if this counts as something I'm excited for, but something I told myself I was gonna do throughout the fall semester is I'm gonna do my makeup for classes. I'm doing classes online, so it's not like I'm going in for class anyway, and half the time I don't have my camera on, so I don't want anyone to see what I look like, but I'm gonna start doing my makeup for classes. Putting on a full face of makeup when I'm not going anywhere is a very common occurrence for me. These days, I don't care when I'm wearing makeup, I don't care where I'm wearing makeup, I just enjoy wearing it, and I'm gonna continue wearing makeup whenever I want to. Plus, doing my makeup for classes honestly gives me a sense of normalcy, like a sense of a school routine, and that's something I need for online classes for sure. Yeah, after basically having 4 months of no schedule whatsoever, I need something that's gonna help me adjust to school. Excuse me? Do I know you? You know, she wasn't on the list, but she crashed the party anyway. That's super rude. Oh, I didn't like that at all. I'm so sorry. Kind of, sort of, speaking of makeup, but not really. I have a really embarrassing story for you guys. So, I had an online class the other day, and I was 7 minutes late to it. For no reason other than I honestly forgot that I had class at that time. So not only was I 7 minutes late to an online class, but when I logged into the Google Meeting web room that my professor used, I logged in under my Sonya Smakeup email, like my YouTube email, not my school email. There's 12 people in the class, so I feel like people definitely noticed. My name up there read Sonya Smakeup, and my icon was this big old picture of me posing with a full face of makeup on. I was on that call for all of a minute before I realized I was logged in with the wrong email. But when I realized that I had logged in with the wrong email, I kind of panicked and I left the meeting. And the thing is, I know everyone noticed and I'm trying not to let it bother me. I sat there staring at my screen for a hot minute, just deciding, should I go back to class? I elected to very gracefully switch back to my school account and log back into the meeting. And I stayed for the rest of class and pretended it didn't happen. Thankfully, no one said anything about it. I don't know why they would, but there's only 12 people in the class, so I don't have hope that it went unnoticed. And you know what? Life goes on. We persevere, and we pretend it never happened. But yeah, with that class, I might as well wear a full face of makeup every single day because everyone in the class has already seen me with a full face of makeup on. Or at least a photo of me. It's fine, we're over it. It was a photo of me, but if I had turned the camera on for class that day, my classmates would have seen me with a full face of makeup on, wearing a golden pink cut crease. That's not just my image icon, that's literally what I was wearing on my face at the moment of class, and it's also the reason I was late. But I couldn't very well tell my professor, hey, teach. The reason I was late to this online class is because I was trying to put on a gold cut crease. In my professor's defense, he seems like a pretty chill guy, he probably didn't care, and I'm definitely overthinking it. Let's move on, this hurts to talk about. Oh, something that's coming up soon that I'm excited for? Mulan is coming out on Disney Plus for streaming. It's the live action version, and I know people feel a type of way about the live action Disney movies. And trust me, I do too. I still try to watch them though, because of, I guess, it's nostalgia, and I feel like I kind of have to. Look, In order to make sure that the live action version is not as good as the original, I have to watch the live action version. But that doesn't make me any less excited for Mulan because I love Mulan. One time on a really long flight, the only kiddie movies available were like some British thing I'd never seen before and Mulan. So what did your girl do? She, meaning me, I watched Mulan almost 8 times in a row, and you best believe I enjoyed it 8 times in a row. Hi guys, editing Sonya here. Listen, in my defense, this happened when I was in like 3rd grade. Please don't judge me. I don't know if that's something to brag about. I don't know if that's something I should be telling you, but you know what? It's out there. We've put it out there. But you know what, guys? Oh, this is very difficult. In all seriousness, the reason I'm so excited for this fall is because it's the first fall that I've had like a real YouTube channel. I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys. Maybe I did in like a draft video that I never posted, but I actually started my YouTube channel last October. There's no way I'm gonna be able to line my lower lips while talking, so enjoy. You are welcome for that riveting footage. But yeah, I actually technically started my channel last October and I filmed a couple of tutorials and I posted them. Before uploading my first like real video on this channel, I guess, I went and privated those 3 videos that I uploaded because they are so bad. They are so embarrassing. And maybe one day, if you guys want it enough, I'll make them public for you to watch. But till then, they will remain in the catacombs where they belong. But yeah, I'm excited to have like a real YouTube channel this fall, and I can talk about like fall YouTube things. Fall favorites, fall outfits, get ready with me for pumpkin picking. Like, I love that stuff. I want to do the whole shebang. And you know what? I have an idea for closer to the holidays that I am very excited to show you guys. I don't know if I should spoil it or keep it a secret. I don't know. I want to tell you guys. I just went to put my hoops back in and I think I was wearing 2 different earrings the whole time. Honestly, classic me. I don't know why this happens every time. It should be statistically impossible for me to pick the wrong pair of earrings every single time I go to wear hoops. Should I give you guys a hint? I will give you guys a hint. I can't do this. My gloss is applied, and I'm going to give you a hint as to what it's going to be. Okay, it has something to do with holiday movies. I'm not going to say any more, but I'm very excited. I hope I piqued your curiosity. That's me, your local enigma. Mystery just shrouds me. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, this is it. This is pretty much the finished look. Do you like it? This is a little more matte than I would normally go, but with, you know, the US heading into fall/winter, that's where makeup trends tend to go. They tend to go... Makeup in the fall and winter in the US, at least, tends to be a little more matte. I know the current trend in makeup is very sheer, very natural, very glowy, and I'm interested to see how that's going to change as the seasons change too. I guess that's another thing I'm excited for. I honestly don't want to see this trend end yet, just because I love it so much. I love the look, but I guess we'll see where things go for the winter. So yeah, guys, this is the video. This is the finished look. It's just a simple get ready with me just talking at length about random things, you know, as per the usual. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and please feel free to subscribe if you feel so inclined. I personally would love to have you here. Comment down below and tell me what you're excited for this fall. Or if you're not excited for this fall, tell me why. Also, if you guys have any good gnome names for me, comment that too, because I need help. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope you're all having a great day, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye!